If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited in billet silver. With automatic headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 26,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation and a rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, all powered by 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5915A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.